Alright, I'm starting this video to show you how to maintain and clean your Pit Boss smoker. So this is after 4 uses. That's the heat plate, the heat shields on the propane side, a little garbage at the bottom. You can see how much is really stacked up in here, and the grease along that edge. So this is after 4 uses in the grease trap. Start by getting a pan and pre-washing these outside with some Brillo pads. So I've done the grates already. They're all stacked up, ready to go in the dishwasher. I don't want any of that junk in my dishwasher. And next we're going to start vacuuming out all this garbage before I clean the heat shields. Okay, so I got the heat shields off. I vacuumed these tubes out. I vacuumed everything down here in the bottom out. Got all of that schmutz out of there. Then I opened this side. The fire pot right here was full of ash. So I was getting some smoke back up into my fire pot, and I was getting a lot of smoke coming out of this hopper. So that was why, because that was backed up. So I vacuumed all that out. This was full. I got that out. The track right here where the grease is, there's chunks of stuff. I'm going to take a paper towel and wipe all that out. And then I'm going to start running all this through the dishwasher. And it says not to wash these heat shields, so I'm gonna just take a paper towel and get some of the grease and schmutz off of it, and then I'll reassemble everything. You need a shop vac, water hose, a pan to wash some stuff in so you don't have disgusting barbecue grease all over the place, some Brillo pads, some sponges, and paper towels. Alright, so I got the plates out of the washing machine. I reinstalled them into the Pit Boss. It's looking good. We're going to go ahead and fire it up and do a cook. So we're going to put it on. Put it on smoke. Get it fired up. See that. Drop it in there. You can hear the auger. We got a hickory maple cherry pellet going on. Now we got it going. Fire pot's working down there like it's supposed to. Get the temperature set up now to 350. And we'll let that sit for a few minutes. Okay, we're getting closer to cook temp. Looks like we're at 280. Trying to preheat it to 450, then I'll turn it down to 350. Once I open it up, we'll lose a lot of temperature, so about 5 more minutes, maybe 10 more minutes. Alright, I'm looking pretty hot, so let's get going. Looking good in here. We'll close that down. A little spray action. And now it's time to put on the kebabs. Check back in a few. Alright, these kebabs have been going for about 10 minutes. I flipped them over. I'll let them go for about another 10 minutes. Just did a simple salt and pepper, coarse sea salt and pepper, and lemon on them. Just simple. In the first part of the video, I showed you how to clean the inside, but I didn't need to clean the hopper out yet. But there's a little nut here. You unscrew it and you pull that out, and then it releases the pellets. You pop this out first, and you drain your pellets or whatever's left into a bucket. Put that back in, push this back in, and screw that back in. And that's how you drain out the hopper. So if you want to clean that out, I think you're supposed to do it every time the bag empties, so you get all the dust out of there. Well, there you have it. How to clean and cook on your Pit Boss grill. So just about done. Well, bon appetit, and see you next time.